Hey y'all, I'm going to show this calico bean prep. This is a real easy recipe and it goes a long way. It feeds 10 people, so it's really good. It's savory, it's got a little sweetness to it. I have started browning 1 pound of ground beef and 6 slices of bacon on the stove. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut up a medium onion. This all goes into the crock pot. The nice thing about the crock pot during this time of year, especially tomorrow, it's going to be like 99, you don't heat up your whole kitchen. Now, yeah, I'm sweating tonight heating it up, but when you prep for this, you're going to have to heat your kitchen up, obviously, a little bit. But when you get it all ready and it goes into the crock pot, it cooks for 4 hours on high. I usually cook mine on low for about 6 hours, but either way. So what you're going to need is 1 pound of ground beef, 6 slices of bacon, cook them. You're going to need a medium-sized onion chopped. You're going to need a 3/4 cup of ketchup, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, some salt and pepper to taste. You're going to need 1 large can of kidney beans drained and rinsed. You're going to need 1 large can of, and I'll be doing that while I'm talking, not 1 large can, sorry, 1 15-ounce can of lima beans or butter beans. I couldn't find butter beans, so we're doing limas. I'm going to rinse those as I'm talking. And then you're going to do 2 cans of pork and beans, and you don't drain those. So I'm going to put all that into the crock pot. If you'll show like a close-up of this, that'd be good. All that, you just dump it in there. It's no rhyme or reason to it, honestly. After these are rinsed, I'm going to put those in. This is good as a side. It's good as a main dish. Put some cornbread with it and maybe some fresh cut cucumbers and onions from the garden. Okay, those go in. 3/4 cup of ketchup. 1 teaspoon of mustard. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. I'm going to eyeball this. My hands are clean, just so you know. 2 teaspoons of vinegar. I'm going to continue to chop this onion here in just a minute. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of pepper. You can gauge that. It'd be good with a little bit of garlic salt as well. I'll be doing this on Fox 8 on Friday. So Chad Tucker, get ready, come hungry. This is a real people pleaser. It's definitely a man pleaser. It's hearty. It's very filling. And as I said, you can use it as a side or as a main dish. This is almost brown. As that finishes browning, I'm going to do my onion. Once that browns, I'm going to put it all together, plus the brown sugar, that 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and stir it up. I'm going to put mine in the refrigerator, but and I'm going to cook mine on Friday. But you cook it, like I said, 4 hours on high in your crock pot, or 6 hours, it's the 4th cup measure, 6 hours on low, which is what I like to do. So there you have it, Calico Beans, and I'll show you the finished product, see what it looks like, and on Friday when I cook it, I'll show it again. So stay tuned.